Hello students, in this video I'll discuss few problems on harmonic function. In the beginning we will recall the definition of a harmonic function. A function phi in the Cartesian form is said to be harmonic if it satisfies the equation dou square phi divided by dou x square plus dou square phi divided by dou y square equal to 0. The function phi in the polar form phi of r comma theta is said to be harmonic if it satisfies the equation dou square phi divided by dou r square plus 1 by r into dou phi by dou r plus 1 by r square into dou square phi divided by dou theta square equal to 0. Now we will move on to the problems. Take the first one. Show that the function u equal to sin x into cos hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x into sin hyperbolic y plus x square minus y square plus 4xy is harmonic. Also determine the corresponding analytic function. We will start the solution with considering given u. Here u is sin x into cos hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x into sin hyperbolic y plus x square minus y square plus 4xy. To show that u is harmonic, we have to prove that uxx plus uyy equal to 0 as u is in Cartesian form. So we have to find partial derivative of u with respect to x and partial derivative of u with respect to y. Partial derivative of u with respect to x, by treating y as constant, we will get ux equal to cos hyperbolic y into cos x plus 2 into derivative of cos x is minus 2 sin x into sin hyperbolic y plus derivative of x square is 2x minus 0 derivative of y square with respect to x, then plus 4 into y into derivative of x with respect to x is 1, so 4y. So partial derivative of u with respect to x is this expression. Now we want uxx. For that purpose we differentiate this expression partially with respect to x again by keeping y as constant. So second order partial derivative of u with respect to x is cos hyperbolic y as it is, derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Minus 2 into sin hyperbolic y as it is, derivative of sin x is cos x. Derivative of 2x is 2 and derivative of 4y with respect to x is 0. Take this as equation 1. Now we want partial derivative of u with respect to y. We differentiate u with respect to y keeping x as constant. So uy equal to sin x into sin hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x as it is, derivative of sin hyperbolic y is cos hyperbolic y, derivative of x square is 0 minus derivative of y square is 2y, and derivative of 4xy with respect to y is 4x into 1, it is 4x. Now we want uyy. For that purpose we will differentiate the expression for uy partially with respect to y by keeping x as constant. So uyy equal to sin x into cos hyperbolic y plus 2 cos x into sin hyperbolic y minus 2 derivative of 2y and derivative of 4x with respect to y is 0. Take this as equation 2. Now we have to get expression for uxx plus uyy. For that purpose we will add equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 plus equation 2 gives uxx plus uyy equal to, you calculate the RHS, it will be 0. So uxx plus uyy equal to 0 implies given function u is harmonic. Now we have to find the corresponding analytic function f of z. For that purpose, we take the formula f dash of z equal to ux plus ivx. Since u is given, in the place of vx, we will substitute minus uy by Cauchy-Riemann equation. Now we have ux and uy. Substitute in the expression for f dash of z along with x equal to z and y equal to 0. So we get f dash of z as cos z plus 2z minus I into 2 cos z plus 4z. We want f of z. For that purpose, integrate this equation with respect to z. F of z equal to sin z plus 2 into z square by 2, it is z square, minus I into 2 sin z plus 4 into z square by 2, it is 2z square, plus c, it is the constant of integration. So this is the expression for the corresponding analytic function. The second problem, show that u equal to e power x into x cos y minus y sin y is harmonic. Also determine the corresponding analytic function. Again, here you observe given u, it is in the Cartesian form. So we have to prove that uxx plus uyy equal to 0. So we have to find the required partial derivatives. Now we will start the partial differentiation. You observe u, here e power x is function of x and the term inside bracket is also function of x. So we have to apply product rule. Partial derivative of u with respect to x, ux equal to first function e power x as it is. Now we consider derivative of term inside the bracket. Derivative of x into cos y with respect to x is 1 into cos y, it is cos y. Derivative of y into sin y with respect to x is 0, plus derivative of first function e power x, it is e power x only, and second function we have written as it is. If you observe e power x is common here, so take e power x out and write in terms of the other function. Now we want uxx, means second order partial derivative of u with respect to x. So differentiate the expression for ux partially with respect to x. Again we have to treat functions of y as constant. So if you observe here also we have to apply product rule. Take e power x as first function and terms inside the bracket as second function. First function into derivative of term inside bracket with respect to x partially. Derivative of cos y is 0. Derivative of x into cos y with respect to x is 1 into cos y, it is cos y, and derivative of y into sin y with respect to x is 0. Plus derivative of first function is e power x only and second function as it is we have written. Again e power x is common, take common term outside and write the remaining terms as it is, and we will take the expression for uxx as equation 1. Now we want uyy, means second order partial derivative of u with respect to y. For that purpose first we have to find partial derivative of u with respect to y. Here we note that e power x is constant, term inside the bracket is the function of y. So constant into function form we have. While differentiate with respect to y, keep constant as it is and differentiate the terms containing y. Here we have just cos y into x into derivative of cos y we have to write. At the same time, here we have y into sin y. So while differentiating with respect to y, here we have to apply product rule. So partial derivative of u with respect to y is e power x into minus x sin y minus of y cos y plus sin y. This is by applying product rule for the second term. Now I want uyy. For that purpose we differentiate uy partially with respect to y again. So uyy equal to e power x is constant, derivative of x into sin y minus x as it is, sin y derivative with respect to y is cos y. Now we have y cos y. Here we need to apply product rule. We are differentiating with respect to y. So y into derivative of cos y is minus sin y plus derivative of y is 1 cos y as it is, and derivative of sin y is cos y. On simplification, we get uyy equal to e power x into minus x cos y plus y sin y minus 2 cos y. Take this as equation 2. Now, we will add equation 1 and 2 so that the LHS will be uxx plus uyy. And when you add the RHS values, we will get RHS as 0. That implies given function u is harmonic. Now we have to find f of z. For that purpose, we will again use the formula f dash of z equal to ux plus I into vx. Since u is given by CR equation, we write vx as minus uy. We have ux and uy. We will substitute the values with x equal to z and y equal to 0. So f dash of z equal to e power z plus z into e power z. Now, we will integrate the expression to get expression for f of z. On integration, we will get f of z equal to integral of e power z is e power z only. Now here we will apply integration by parts, or you can apply Bernoulli's rule. So first function into integral of second minus derivative of z is 1 and integral of e power z is e power z plus constant of integration c. So on simplification, we will get this value as f of z equal to z into e power z plus c. This is the corresponding analytic function. Now, let's see a function in polar coordinates. Show that u equal to r plus 1 by r into cos theta is harmonic and find the corresponding analytic function. Here u is function of r and theta, so we have to find partial derivatives of u with respect to r and with respect to theta. First, we differentiate u partially with respect to r, keeping theta as constant. Cos theta is constant. Derivative of r with respect to r is 1 plus derivative of 1 by r is minus 1 by r square. Now we differentiate this expression with respect to r again partially. So u r r equal to derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of minus 1 by r square is 2 by r cube. Cos theta is constant, keep as it is. Now we differentiate u partially with respect to theta. Keep function of r as it is the constant. Derivative of cos theta is minus sin theta. Differentiate this expression again with respect to theta. So u theta theta equal to constant as it is minus of r plus 1 by r and derivative of sin theta is cos theta. Now we have to show that u is harmonic. For that purpose, consider LHS of the formula. The required LHS is URR plus 1 by r UR plus 1 by r square into u theta theta. We have all partial derivatives. Substitute in the RHS and simplify. On simplification, we get that RHS equal to 0. That implies given function u is harmonic. Now we have to find the analytic function f of z. For that purpose, we will use the formula f dash of z equal to e power minus I theta into ur plus I into vr. Now, by Cauchy-Riemann equation, we will substitute for vr. So, we get expression for f dash of z as e power minus I theta into ur minus I by r into u theta. Substitute for ur and u theta with r equal to z and theta equal to 0. We will get expression for f dash of z as 1 minus 1 by z square. Integrating this expression with respect to z, we get f of z equal to z plus 1 by z plus c. This is the analytic function. Take one more problem. Show that u equal to e power 2x into x cos 2y minus y sin 2y is harmonic. You observe here u is in the Cartesian form. So we need to show that uxx plus uyy equal to 0. Start with u. Now differentiate u partially with respect to x, keeping y as constant. Here, if you observe, we have product of two functions of x. So, we have to apply product rule or UV rule. First function into derivative of second function. It is x into cos 2y minus y sin 2y. The derivative is 1 into cos 2y minus 0. It is cos 2y. Plus derivative of e power 2x, 2e power 2x into second function as it is. Here e power 2x is common. Take that term outside and write the remaining terms. Now we want uxx. For that, differentiate ux partially with respect to x again by keeping y as constant. So again here we have to apply product rule. First function into derivative of cos 2y with respect to x is 0. Derivative of 2x into cos 2y with respect to x is 2 into 1 into cos 2y. It is 2 cos 2y. And derivative of y into sin 2y is 0. So 2 cos 2y plus derivative of e power 2x is 2 e power 2x, and second function we kept as it is. Take e power 2x common term and write the remaining terms. Take this as equation 1. Now we want uyy. For that purpose, first we differentiate u partially with respect to y. Here you observe this is constant and here we have function of y. So while differentiating partially with respect to y, here we have to apply product rule. So uy is e power 2x into minus 2x into sin 2y minus, after applying product rule for the second term, we will get 2y into cos 2y plus sin 2y. Simplify this, we will get expression for uy. We want uyy, so differentiate this expression partially with respect to y again. Keep e power 2x constant. Derivative of minus 2x into sin 2y with respect to y is minus 2x into cos 2y into 2. So, minus 4x into cos 2y. Minus 2y into cos 2y we have here. So, we have to apply product rule to differentiate. So, minus 2y into sin 2y into 2 plus 2 into cos 2y. Derivative of sin 2y is 2 cos 2y. Simplify this. We get uyy equal to e power 2x into minus 4x cos 2y plus 4y sin 2y minus 4 cos 2y. Take this as equation 2. Now, in order to get required LHS, you add equation 1 and 2, that gives uxx plus uyy as 0. That implies u is harmonic. Here, few homework problems are there. Show that the following functions are harmonic and hence find f of z. First one, u equal to e power x into cos y plus xy. Second one, u equal to 1 by r into cos theta. Third one, v equal to e power minus 2y into sin 2x. And fourth one, u equal to x minus 1 whole cube minus 3xy square plus 3 into y square. Thank you.